Well, I know, I always get on here and I talk about how excited I am about what I'm making. Well, today is no exception. I'm super excited because today we're making some mini apple pies. They're my favorites. I snack on this all the time. It's something I make pretty often. Let's just get right into this. So we're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and after we give that a quick little mix, we'll put a whole stick of butter. We're gonna cut it up, of course. We'll mix that in as good as we can. I prefer my hand, you can use a fork. Here we go. Now that the butter's mixed in properly, we can add 3 tablespoons of milk, work that into the dough until it's nice and solid, and we can turn that into a ball. After it's in a ball, we will be wrapping it, putting it to the side, and working on the next part of the project. We're going to start off by peeling 2 of your favorite apples, cutting them into fourths, de-seeding them, and cutting them up some more. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Once the apples are all cut up, we can put them in the pot we're going to cook them in. And to the pot, we can add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of either black rum or red wine. Now we can put that on a medium flame until the water evaporates into a caramel texture. We want to make sure the apples are nice and crispy still. Have a nice bite. Put that to the side and start working on our dough. Now we're going to roll out the dough and cut out the dough to the shapes we need for our small apple pies. Now we can stuff them into our mini pie pans and cut off the excess and start filling them. Now we're going to take the extra dough, roll it out, cut them into small strips, and just top them onto the pies. Now we're gonna mix up 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just gonna sprinkle that on top and shove it in the oven. So now we'll throw this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees and just eat away. Although I know I say this very often, I really enjoyed making this video. This is the most fun I've had in a minute, just making videos and cooking and baking. I love baking. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And as always, like, subscribe, return. See you guys soon.